100 years ago, my great-grandfather bought a junkyard in Indiana. And ever since then, my family has been bringing things back to life. For 100 years, we've been firing them up.
So today is a gear day. Checking out some new gear. As you can see, we got one of the new shirts on, Fired Up Garage. Got some great pictures on the back there. We've got gear down below where you're watching right now. You can check out hats and shirts and all those kind of things. But we're also today looking at some tire covers. So this is the 2012 Jeep Rubicon that you've seen here on the channel a few times. We've got a nice tire here on the back, but the problem is it sits out in the sun all day long. And I have noticed some weather checking already starting to happen. This tire has never even been on the ground, but I don't want this tire to be shot when I want to use it. So we've got some tire covers here sent over by our friend Jason at the tire cover shop. We're going to try them out today. One is a custom cover that they made for us with our logo. You can pick anything you want on your custom tire cover. The other one is a standard one of their printed covers that you can choose from. So I'll go ahead and throw these on, show you what they look like. So the first one is one that you can order online. This one's got the Punisher logo in it, American flag, 1776, and they do ask you for the tire size when you order them. So they actually make this the correct size to fit. So there you go, that's one of the covers that you can order online at any time. They have it in a lot of different sizes. They also have hundreds of these different images you can choose from. Fits nice and snug. We told them our tire size ahead of time. And that vinyl, this one, very smooth. You know, we just put this on, we just unfolded it out of the package, but you can see how smooth it already is. It'll just get smoother as it sits out in the sun. So that's a great option. You can find those online. We'll drop a link to their website down below so you can check them out. But now what I'm really excited about, they made us a custom cover for Fired Up Garage. So let's check that one out. So here's our second cover. This is the one that they made custom for us. So we sent them over our logo ahead of time, and they'll print you any picture, any logo, anything that you want on your custom tire cover. So there you go, that's the custom one that they made for us. As you can see, it's got our logo just like on the shirts. It's got the shading around the logo just like on the shirts. Fits good, fits nice and snug. A tip, when you put it on, a lot of times you start at the top, and then you put it on, you'll see that the seam is like way up here, and the bottom, the seam is like here. So when you put it on, you actually want to get it kind of in the right place at the bottom first, and then work the top on, then your seam ends up good all the way around. And they gave us a custom tire size on this one, fits perfectly. And as you can see, already smooth out of the box. Good high quality logo. These are heat resistant. So we're happy with it. That's from our friend Jason over at the tire cover shop. Sent us this over. And if you want to check them out, check out the link down below. You can get your own picture here. They can do a picture of this entire circle, whatever you want, a logo, a graphic, the name of your Jeep, whatever. If you have a Jeep like this and you want to check out more videos on this Jeep, we've shown you how to replace this back window with a new window. If yours is all cloudy, we put some new running boards on this Jeep recently. We've done some lighting upgrades, all kinds of Jeep projects here. And if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, I encourage you to do that. Thanks for watching. Keep firing them up.